Get fast quote turnarounds from our projects team. Simply send your project requirements, takeoffs, and any other supporting documents to our projects team, and they'll take care of the rest, delivering your quote within the hour or within 1 day for more complex projects. Each quote is returned with a system schematic and direct links to quoted products on our website for easy access to images, videos, downloadable datasheets, and more. If your company is signed up to our installer scheme, you can earn up to 5% back when purchasing flexi-eligible products, so make sure to check the flexi value at the bottom of your quote to see how many points you could earn. Once your quote is created, it will be sent to you, and it is also available to view, download, and order at any time from your company portal. Get in touch at projects@urmet.co.uk or book a meeting to discuss your project with a member of our projects team.